Hello, DevALMO here, and therefore the more excited with the channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Today let's learn about input with React. Here we have the application we'll be working on, just as title with default text and input. When we type something in here, example, we press enter and then it changes right here. Let's see how the code works. So here we are at the code. We can see that we just have a app.js, nothing else. Here we are importing useState from React. Here we have a state that we'll be using for the input. Here we have another input. This one will be displayed on screen. This is the function that will run every time we submit the input. And here we are prevent default, so it doesn't load every time we submit. In here we are changing the value of input displayed with the value that will be on our input. In the code itself, we have a h1 for the title, a h2 that has what is displayed on screen, and we finally have a form. On submit, we'll execute handle input function. The input we are declaring it's a type text. The value will be input value, that is the first state we created. On change property, we'll change input value every time we change what is inside the input. Then when we press enter inside this input, we are submitting it, which will trigger this function, and this function will prevent the default, that is made the page load again, and change what is displayed on screen. Now we can execute our code and see it running. We can change our text to see the desired effect on screen. If the video content was useful to you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, add me in social media. The links to it are available in the description. The code we just did will be in the comments. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!